Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the live event to your Facebook profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this profile button down below, which is the fourth option. Scroll down until you find the live event button. Click on it. Here you have a bunch of categories that you can choose from, such as work, education, relationship, home and living, family, travel, and so on. Click on a category, and here you should enter the title, such as new job, promotion, left job, retirement. So click on the relevant one, and here you can select a photo or video. You can also add your own one from your gallery by tapping on the plus icon. Then you can add the name of the workplace, say something about this, tap on the box, type in something, click on done, set the date. You can also tag the location of your workplace, and when you are done, click on the next button. You can also type in the name of your job. And select the workplace as well. Tap on next and click on the share button if you would like to share it with your friends. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.